Hello everyone, this is your professor once again, Danny Araneta Cabulay, for the course Strategic Management in the Tourism and Hospitality Industry. Well, earlier we talked about external environment analysis and I gave you some tools and we will continue that. In this particular episode or this particular video, I will be talking more about more tools and one very important tool that is commonly used. Okay? So for this outline, we will talk about why is external environment analysis important and what are the common tools and techniques that can be used and the one technique that is most commonly used. So first, let's ask the more important question. Why do we have to do environmental scanning? So when we talk about macro environmental scanning, this is also called external analysis. It provides organizations and management a better perspective of the business climate and environment, particularly of the industry they are competing in. It is a good barometer of the organization's anticipated performance in the immediate future. Also, it can be a credible basis for identifying key issues and challenges that need to be resolved or prevented in the forthcoming period, a key to management planning and decision making. Kung hindi tayo nagmamatyag sa ating kapaligiran, lalong-lalo na sa ating external environment, we might be making decisions na pwedeng makaapekto sa survival ng ating negosyo. Pwedeng bumagsak ang ating establishment, tourism establishment, simply because we were not forewarned about the dangers in the environment. Sabi nga ni Sun Tzu, survey the terrain, which means we need to really keep our ears on the ground and be alert for danger. Okay? And of course, the positive side, we have to really be keen on opportunities. Maraming opportunities sa ating environment. Now, what are the common tools used by analysts or by managers? First, yung very classic na Porter framework by Dr. Michael Porter. This is also called the 5 forces of the market model. And then there's also what you call the competitor profile matrix. Alam natin na yung Porter framework, there are 5 forces. So ano ba yung 5 forces na yun? Let's review. The competition, new entrants, substitutes, suppliers, and customers. Then, yung pangalawang tool na itinuro ko sa inyo last time was the competitor profile matrix. Ito naman, tinitignan natin sino ba ang magiging leader sa industry. Sino ba yung tinitingala? Nasa kanya ba lahat ng katangian para maging successful or maging industry leader? Yung tinatawag natin na key success factors. Tandaan nyo, if you want to be an industry leader in your specific industry or niche, you must possess all of the characteristics or attributes of an industry leader, which we tackled last time. And then the third tool is the winner analysis. Ito naman, enumeration lang siya, qualitative enumeration of the attributes, characteristics, strategies of winners as well as losers in the industry. Then, pinag-usapan din natin ang SWOT at saka TOES. Alam niyo yung SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. That's basically internal analysis. Yung TOES, tinitignan natin yung kapaligiran natin. No? Anong strategies ang pwede natin gamitin base sa SWOT. Alam natin ang strengths at weaknesses ay internal at ang opportunities and threats ay external. So that technique is the tool SWOT TOES analysis is basically a hybrid of an internal as well as an external analysis. So pwede siyang gamitin sa external, pwede rin siyang gamitin sa internal environment analysis. And now, the final tool na ituturo ko sa inyo, very important, is called PESEL. PESEL analysis, or sometimes they call it PESTEL, but it's PESEL. Importante na malaman natin ano ba ang kinalaman ng ecological environment. Okay? Makakaapekto ba yan sa ating negosyo? Look at what happened to Boracay. Nung isinara ang Boracay for 6 months, sabi, they will do a massive cleanup. Has it affected the businesses there? Yes, it has affected the businesses there. Then, nung itinayo ang SM Baguio, maraming nagwala, maraming nagprotesta. Kasi sabi, masama daw sa kalikasan yung ginawa ng SM. At saka marami daw na maliliit na mga tiyangge, mga vendors ang mawawalan ng hanap buhay or negosyo. Kasi everybody will go to SM. Wala nang pupunta o magpapatronize doon sa mga micro-entrepreneurs. And then, of course, nagdagsaan ng mga pogo itong panahon ni Duterte. Okay? So, anong epekto ng mga pogo workers, particularly yung mga illegal na aliens na nakapasok sa bansa? Yan ba makakaapekto sa ating industry, sa ating tourism? How will that affect our transport system, our hotel industry, our food service, o mga restaurants, no? Di ba nagsulputan yung sangkatutak na Chinese restaurants? Siguro mga 30% ng mga restaurants sa paligid ay Chinese na to cater to the pogo workers. So again, napakaraming nabago because of the entry of the pogo workers or the pogo industry. So again, that is part of macro-environmental scanning. So let's look at the PESEL analysis. So here's pop question number 6. Assuming your tourist-oriented establishment is located in Tagaytay, near the active Taal volcano. Alam mo naman yung Tagaytay, napakalapit yan sa volcano, no? Kapag pumutok ang bulkan, apektado ang mga establishments dyan. Kuminsan nagsasara sila ng 1 buwan or more. Kasi they have to do cleaning up after the eruption, right? Which of the first 4 external analysis tools na binanggit ko? Ulitin natin, no? Porter Framework, SWOT Analysis, Winner Analysis, at saka Competitor Profile Matrix. Which of these 4 external analysis tools will most likely help you consider the risk of your location? Alin yung tool na magagamit mo para makatulong, mag-decide ka ng tama kung ikaw ba ay magre-relocate dyan sa Tagaytay or not? Okay? Would you like to relocate your establishment in Tagaytay? That's the question you need to answer, yes or no. And then, justify your answer in 2 sentences. Remember, there are two questions there. First, which tool will most likely help you make that decision? And number 2, will you relocate in Tagaytay or not? Then explain your answer. Deadline is tomorrow, Friday, May 20, 11 p.m. Okay? So stay tuned for the next video.